Hi, my name is Paul Tobey. Thanks for tuning in to JazzMentl, the channel for jazz musicians. And try to remember that if you like what you hear in this video, go ahead and subscribe because we'll notify you of upcoming lessons. In this video, you're going to learn Silent Night for jazz piano. This is intermediate to advanced. But if you're a beginner, please stick around because it's always good to hear what the next level is doing so that you can be inspired to reach that level. So what I'm going to do first is play you a version of Silent Night that I worked out just this morning. I reharmonized it, put some neat chords in there. I'm going to play it for you first and then come back and talk about the reharmonization and some of the chords that you can use. Okay, let's get started. right, so that's the reharmonization that I did. Let's talk about it a bit. One of the things that you're going to need to know when you start to reharmonize tunes is you have to take the feel of the tune into consideration. So the slower the tune, the more chords you can put in there, and that's basically what we did here. But we didn't start out that way. We started out with a nice pattern in the left hand that just goes from B flat 6 to F. Starting out nice and easy and just a little bit of riffing over top of that. And then when we get into the tune, you're just basically starting with that riff. And that's pretty much Silent Night as it was originally intended. But now that we've got that out of the way, you want to start to throw in some more chords. So F7 going to F sharp diminished 7th, which is really not part of the original. And then do a 3-6-2-5 heading to E flat. So F sharp minor 7. Please let me know if you want me to write this out, because I can do that and provide you with the sheet music, but I'm not going to do that unless you ask for it. So let me know. And then it goes to E flat 7, and then it does this really neat sort of 3 chords before B flat. Where it's going, let's see. So D half diminished 7th to B flat diminished over A. Now you have to remember the melody note as you're playing this, because that's important to the chords that you play. All right, so again, starting on the E flat 6 chord, heading to B flat. So you'll notice that I put a B flat 7 there at the end because it's the dominant over E flat, sorry. And then when we get to the E flat major 7, go up a half step to E diminished. And now we have all of these chords in a row. So there's 6 chords in 2 bars. So and I think that's important, especially the last 3 because, or even the last 4, because you've got it going down in minor seconds from the A flat to the G flat. So we've had F7 to F sharp diminished 7th before. I like that chord where you've got basically D over C. And then 3-6-2-5, but using the tritone substitution. So instead of D to G to C to F, it's D to D flat. Okay, so let's take the second section and go from the E flat. If we look back at the beginning of the tune, I think it's important that once you start to get into soloing, that you keep it simple during those first 4 bars, and then as it progresses into more chords, you can start to spell those chords and play scales and things. So pretty simple from the B flat 6 to the F over B flat. So of course, there's a lot you can do with this song because it is a fairly simple tune, and reharmonizing it just adds quite a bit more flavor to it. So let me know if you want me to write out some sheet music for you, and I'll go ahead and do that. And please remember, if you like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up would be awesome. And any comments that you have, please post them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot for your time.